You have a Suburban hot water heater in your RV or an older Atwood, you're going to need to replace the anode rod in there every single year. And what you want to do is turn your water off and then go ahead and open up this temperature pressure release valve here, and then we'll take the old anode rod out. What you're going to need is a 1 and a 1/16 socket. Go ahead and remove that. If you have a Dometic, they have a aluminum hot water tank, and you do not need to have one of these in there. Now we'll just let the water drain out. So what we have here is a lot of stuff on here. What we're going to do is take and turn the water on, and it'll help flush the bottom of the tank out. Okay, they call this Teflon tape, although there's no adhesive on there. What we're going to want to do is place it on here, but not on the very first threads, and we're going to wind it around, pulling it taut. We're going to make about 4 revolutions on there, and if you're looking at it from the top, you want to do it counterclockwise. Okay, we're ready to install it. It is on a taper, so you don't have to go crazy when it gets tight. Just give it a little snugging and a little bit more, and that should be all you need. We'll take our door, close that up, we're all done in here.